如果你有一个塑料瓶，你会拿它做什么呢？插花、喝水，还是丢进垃圾桶？但是艺术家们会有一些独特的用途。
Sending it to bed.
搞错了再来。
I used those bottles and I created beads out of it because if you're melting it, you can create like kind of like flower shape. And I just made a full dress made out of plastic bottles.
You can convert it into string, you can attach together, you can paint on top of it. It's such a strong and robust material, which is also why it's problematic because it stays in the environment basically forever. It just breaks down to smaller and smaller parts, eventually entering our ecosystem.
From trash to treasure. It's trash, yes, but no. This is really like all the stereotypes that are trying to break. Who said it was trash?
So, I mean, we live in a world that's just filled with so much overconsumption. And so there's tons of waste in almost every single industry that we do. When I first started doing projects around plastic, it was kind of convenient because garbage is free. I'm actually much more interested in thinking about solutions, and I think water is something that people can understand. When we think about contamination, it's easier to imagine like contaminated water rather than a contaminated plant or object. And so I think water as something that we need every day to survive becomes a very good touch point to build a relationship with an audience. Turn off the plastic tap, which is all about talking about how we need to address plastic production and not just address downstream solutions like recycling, because recycling alone is not going to solve the problem, no matter how good we are at it.
It's not the average everyday person that's really going to change the systems. The art doesn't solve everything, but it creates the conditions for more conversations.
You know, the purpose behind my work, ideally to help create a tool that people can use for change making.
We have to, bring communities together to create these incredible, impactful moments for the world, for climate, for change. Make people realize, again, the micro actions they can take in their own lives to better the environment and climate change.
Sustainability doesn't come only from the materials, it comes from the people.